Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to send large files like videos, photos, etc. using Gmail. So let's check it out. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. By default, we can upload files up to 25 MB max using the Gmail directly, but there is a way to overcome this with the help of Google Drive, and we can do that for free. For the Google Drive free version, we get up to 15 GB storage space, and if we are using Google One paid or premium subscription, then we will have more storage space depending on the plan we choose. To do this on our mobile, we can take our smartphone or tablet and open the Google Drive app. We can install this app on our phone if we haven't. Just open this. We will get like this. Now here we can upload the required file we want. Let it be a video or a document. We can upload that here. We can select this plus option. We will get like this, and here we can choose the upload and we can upload the file we want. So after that it will be present here. We just have to wait for the file to be fully uploaded, and here we can see the size as well. We can go to details and activity and we can see the file size here. It is around 200 MB. So we just have to upload the file using Google Drive first. We have to make sure that the Google account we used for both Google Drive and Gmail are the same. We have to make sure about that. So after that, we can open the Gmail app and we can select the compose option at the bottom. So here we can enter all the details, email address, subject. So we can enter all these we want. So after entering that, we can select the clip icon at the top. And here we have to go to Drive, and this will open our Google Drive account. Here we can see the files we have uploaded. So we just have to select one. I'll select this, select, and we can see the file attached here. So now we can send this email. So we will get this sharing options. So we can select can view, can comment, can edit. I'll just choose can view, and we can also send without sharing. So we can do that if we want. We have more options as well. So if we want, we can do all this, and after that we can send the email. That's all. So the receiver will get the email like this, and we can open the file. That's all. Smart water purifier. Please do subscribe. And to do this on desktop, we can open a web browser and go to gmail.com, and we have to make sure that we have logged in using our required Google or Gmail account. Then we can select this compose option and we can enter the to address, subject and content. And here we have the direct option to insert files using Google Drive. So instead of clip, we can go to this direct drive icon. We will get this pop-up, insert files using Google Drive. So here we can upload the files that we have already uploaded to Google Drive, or we can upload a new one. We can do that. So we just have to select the file we want. It says your file exceeds the 25 MB limit. Remove 15 MB to attach a file, or it will be shared as a drive link instead. So that is what we are going to do. We are going to select this and we are going to choose the add as link option. That's all. We can enter the email address, subject, and we can send the email just like how we did on the Gmail mobile app. That's all we have to do. These are the steps to send large files using Gmail. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.